my channel Art Sketch, myself Tapan Roy, and today I share you an amazing pencil sketch technique, how to create a pencil step by step and easy way. Today I share you this 9 different techniques, a secret technique of sketching, and you can learn the step by step and easy way if you want to become a professional sketching artist. So please join us and please check this video. Thank you. Start from the eyeball and a little bit of gets बेटा ब्लैक पेन या ब्लू से करो. अभी ब्लैक पेन मैं खरीदेंगे आज पक्का. मुझे ब्लैक वो ब्लू दे दिया सबको, तो मैंने ब्लू से भी काम करने के लिए डॉट कलर से भी अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए मैंने उसको चेंजेस नहीं किया. समटाइम चेंज कर सकते थे लेकिन नहीं किया. ठीक है, चलो ब्लू में भी तो ब्लैक से तो करते हैं. तो यूजुअली यूजिंग द पेन ओनली दिस not using marker. Okay, it should be the pen for this drawing. No using marker, just using only pen. Pen and the charcoal, just make the outline. And this here is very nice. Strokes are there. It's a pen stroke. If you see the Indian money, the 500 rupees, if you see, this is the Mahatma Gandhi's pictures with the pen and ink. So this whole Mahatma Gandhi was draw with the pen. With the stroke, the same stroke are using over here. Okay. So we are using the somewhere the charcoal where it is a more using the dark area. Okay. Understand, Atish? Aditi beta. Hi Mansha ma'am, you are not joined us today.
Hi sir, sorry, I couldn't join today.
Yeah, no problem ma'am. Ma'am, we have started this drawing today. Just start this one. We are doing some first drawing are done. The second drawing is this. So I just shared you this first drawing what I do today.
Okay sir. So after this session, can you just share what is the work done today when you hear and this batch so that I can try that later?
Yeah. This is the first drawing today batch. This mixed media, and the second drawing it is a pen and ink. Now can start this drawing ma'am. Okay, so make it the very when you are very confident and you can feel you are now a senior artist, senior classes, then you can start the pen and ink. Okay, that's why it is not that easy, but still just the stroke, using the stroke, what stroke where I'm using, that is very important over here. We are not detailing everywhere. Okay, I am detailing only this eyes, nose and mouth, and last stage of the thing is just do the leave it. Okay, I can close the camera. Can I close the camera so you can see more details? Okay, that much. This is more better. So focus the shape of the eyes. Upper line I make it dark. Inside the eyeball, the white areas I make it this. Okay. How becoming slowly you guys are becoming professional artists. When you are practicing, always get the challenging. Always get the challenge and something different medium, different genre of drawings. Okay, so is my journey also the same? I am also always my teachers, and even I am teaching my college and I get Bangalore, the same things I always try to this introduce something new medium, new genre drawings, new techniques, so you can easily experiment with your drawing. So maybe you make something creative, not normal. Everybody is drawing the scenery like or the portrait, not like this. You have something, you also draw the portrait, but it should be something different. It is different from the others. When you draw something different, and this human public are really appreciate that. Okay, this is the first time I see this type of things. So this is very appreciable rather than the same pencil sketch, same portrait. So same watercolor, making something always new and creative or something new. So this, I'm using this part, eyeball. We are focused this part. Here some design, some European influencer design this. I just make it. I'm not leaving the shading. I just give it here. Just roughly, because slowly I leave it the outside. We are focused only this side, so it is called a defocus and focus right. So I just focus on this part. Rest of the part I defocus. Just making this halka lines. Okay. Okay. So make it like this. Okay, this rest of the part is defocus. Whoa, super! How are you making them, huh? Okay, this is focus area. After that, we are using the charcoal, big charcoals. Okay. Bus. We are not using other part. Are not working much. This is only this. So how to create this kind of DSLR? If you take the photos and DSLR, so you can any particular areas you can make focus and others areas make a defocus. So here also do the same thing. Others area I did defocus. I just this area is a focus. So this kind of drawings I. So as you know, we are always do something, different techniques, and also started something big painting. So last year's big painting started and finished the soft pastel and now with the DR also. So if it's a finish, we'll start again the acrylic painting, the landscape. This time is landscape, not horse or not character. So we are making something landscape. So this is areas I just do this. And I give the name as acrylic painting mastery class. So we are do these sessions very soon. Starts maybe next week. So we are using this canvas for this stretch canvas. So I just focus over here. I just little bit of my drawing. So see how much I focus, that much. Okay. So this focus area only I do the sketching with the charcoal. Charcoal and the little bit of we are using my finger to mixing like this. Okay, not so this is okay, just bit, not much more. I'm not using tissue paper, just for the finger. So see, I just finish here, only this area. And this also I using the stroke. Okay. Very less. Okay, here. So Dhanvi, you are now famous, no? What say the public when you see your paintings? This. Okay. That is pure. That some if someone coming really artist and understand the art, they're definitely telling that wow, how to do this, how it is possible in this age. Because I know this drawing is quality is too good, too good. So what is happening? It's a fish or something, any mall or a fish. That sometimes need to exhibit or works. So just making here this. Okay, this area is the focus. I'm making more details over here. That much. Ma'am, your DR drawings here only, ma'am. लेकर गए थे फिनिश हो गए. ओके अच्छा, आजकल थोड़ा बिजी हो. और आप कहीं गए थे लास्ट वीक, नहीं आए थे ना? अच्छा, फिर जा रहे हो. दिस गुड ना, जाना चाहिए मैम. अब तो जाते नहीं, कोई जाना चाहिए मैम. सिर्फ साल में एक बार ही जाते हो. मैंने देखा बहुत कम क्लासेस आपने मिस किया. मैंने देखा लास्ट 1-2 years. दिस गुड, जाना तो चाहिए. जैसे मुझे लगता है अपनी कभी बैठने वाला नहीं है. मतलब कुछ ना कुछ एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ तो करने चलेगा मन में. मिलता है उतना कुछ. यस यस, जैसे मैंने हर एक बारे में आपका एक्सपीरियंस, और मैंने अप्लाई भी किया बहुत टाइम में. आपने जो टाइमिंग के बारे में बोला ना, अलार्म दे के रखो, सो मैंने उसके बहुत फ़ायदा मान हुआ. मुझे बहुत टाइम का प्रॉब्लम है, जो एक क्लास का दूसरी क्लास का और अपना ऑफिस जाने का भी. सो हाँ, सुधार आई है सच में. इसमें बोलने का मतलब है ये सच में मैंने फिर से मेरा मोबाइल का प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, मैंने चेंज किया स्क्रीन, तो अब फिर से चलेगा. मुझे करना पड़ेगा, टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. और एक बार नहीं, मैंने आई डू दैट 3 times. मतलब एक टाइम के लिए मैं सपोज टू माई दिस क्लास फिनिश इन 8:45, 3 अलार्म दे के रख के फिर से आके ठीक है. Yeah, this is like this, and it will work actually. Otherwise, someone assistant need to assistant who will help this. But phone have, so you can use as like a personal assistance, like just remind me. So I can focus only on this area nicely. This is done. Mama, you can start this. This deer, come on, I'll help you. Mama, start karo. I'll help you. We'll start the deer. You can take the deer and start. Ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, you start the deer. Otherwise, I can help you to start the deer. Finish the deer first, then we can start the new drawing. Okay, this is. So now this is this line here. Mama আসছে, মামা ইয়েতে গেছে, মামা আনতে গেছে ওই যে চিকেন না সামথিং. মামা দোকানে গেছে না, তো আসছি না, আসছি. Shopping. Mama gone shopping, right? Okay, this rest of the thing you just leave it. Mama, if you start, Mama, I help you. You start where you are facing problem. At least line start. Okay, I give this chair, Mama. Take this chair. Okay, start that here. Now start this. Yes. Tanvi, come on. What is the first? नहीं पूरा अभी तक फिनिश नहीं हुआ. वो तो करते हो और तो हाँ it's amazing. Done. Start the deer. Guys, finish first this one. We have start the big painting this deer. Rashmi ma'am, not start yet. It is not deer. This is fine. Good. You can do. You are talented. Your mama is in the pictures. See the how feel proud for you. मैं दिखा दे रहा है बेटा. अभी तुम उसको धीरे धीरे करो, लेकिन करो. दिखा दिया फिर चला गया. ऐसा प्रैक्टिस करो. डन बेटा. Start rear. Okay. Aditi is done beta. Aditi is on. Atish. Mama, can you keep in mind here? Hobby है बेटा. देखो. इतना ही complete हुआ, ऐसा कुछ होगा. जिसको दिया start ना नहीं हुआ. Just check it. Just वहाँ पे नहीं है. ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ अंदर है शायद. Nandi, I just send you the flow. What is the flow using for the deer? And that flow where you are started this. The flow I make it. Okay, better now. This flow you are.
इसमें strokes long होंगे.
नहीं इतना लॉन्ग होगा. हाँ, ये डेफिनेटली लॉन्ग होगा क्योंकि ये
इतना small नहीं होगा.
ना इतना स्मॉल नहीं होगा. ये होगा. हाँ, the same thing. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.